So now we will see the another type of graphical model, that is directed graphical model. Now as its name implies, it is directed graphical model. So the edges are having orientations because they are having particular directions. So the directed graph, which is also called as a digraph, is an ordered pair of vertices and arcs, that is nothing but the edges which are having the directions. So D is equal to VA is nothing but the directed graph. VA is nothing but the set whose elements are called as vertices or nodes, and AA is nothing but the set of ordered pairs of vertices which are called as arcs, edges or arrows. So consider the edge AB, then we can say that this is particular node A, then this is particular node B, then the edge is connecting from A to B and it is having the particular direction. So we will say that the edge is from A towards B. The directed graphical models are also called as Bayesian networks or BaseNet, that is nothing but BN. The Bayesian network is directed conditional independence graph having the probability distribution. So it is along with the family of conditional probabilities of the factorization which is brought by the graph. Means in this particular Bayesian network, the conditional independence of graph is distributed. So the Bayesian network, which is also called as the belief network, is a probabilistic graphical model because it is having the probabilistic distribution. It represents the set of random variables and their conditional dependencies via this directed cyclic graph. Means we can represent the probabilistic relationships between the various vertices. We can take the example of any disease. So the what is the probabilistic relationship? That the disease is having particular symptom. So that is nothing but one particular live example of directed cyclic graph. So if we are having the particular vertices and edges, then the directed graph is created by joining that particular vertices with the directions. Now we will see some terminologies related to directed graph. First is the parent and child node. So suppose we are having particular edge and the node that is having the particular edge points from the particular node is called as parent. Means we are having the edge and that edge is having the point which is coming from one node and which is going to the another node. So when it is going to another node, then it is called as the parent node, and when it is coming, it is called as the child node. Means in this particular section we can say that the C is the parent node as it is connecting the various nodes, whereas D and F are the child nodes because they are not having any connection below between them. So if we are having particular node that belongs to the vertices, and if they are connecting to other vertices, then they are called as parent node, and the node which is child node who is not connecting to any other nodes apart from that, that is child node. Then we can say that these parent and child nodes are interconnection because parent nodes are responsible to produce the leaf nodes or child nodes, and child nodes are the nodes who are not having any another connection for producing the node. They are having the particular level where they are not connecting to any another level, they are at the bottom level. Then comes the terminology of deconnected nodes. So the any nodes, suppose we are connecting or we are thinking about nodes that are A and B. So the nodes A and B which belongs to the vertices set V are called as deconnected if and only if there is a sequence of particular distinct nodes, then that is called as a directed path. Means whenever we are having the nodes and that nodes are connected to each other by a sequence, then we can say that they are the deconnected nodes. Means X and Y are deconnected node if there is an unblocked path in between them. Means when two nodes are connected to each other and they are sharing the unblocked path between them, then we can say that they are the deconnected nodes. Suppose we are talking about x and y. So x is connected to r, then it is connected to s, then it is connected to t, and then it is connected to y. Means there is no blocked path. We can say that x is connected to y by the path. Then they are called as the deconnected nodes. Then comes the connected nodes. The two connected nodes A and B are called as connected if and only if there is a sequence where they are directly connecting with each other. Then comes the concept of polytree. So it is the acyclic graph, which is also called as a single connected or a polytree if and only if each pair of distinct nodes is connected by exactly one path. So the graph or the tree is not having any particular circuit, and the pair of the nodes that are of that particular tree are connected by exactly one path, then that is called as a polytree. Then comes the concept of tree. So the directed acyclic graph is also called as a directed tree if and only if it is a polytree and it has exactly one node which is having no parents, that is nothing but the root node. So these are the concepts of directed graphical model that are used in directed graphical model. So in this section we have covered that another type of graphical model, which is nothing but directed graphical model. In our next section we will see the inference on graphical models. Thank you.